Now time has come for the much awaited moment, prize distribution ceremony 2024 and 25. Myself Tabitha.
Myself Shifana.
Every child is a different kind of love, and all together they make this world a beautiful garden.
On the glorious occasion of Independence Day, we celebrated the spirit of patriotism and creativity through various competitions. Our students showcased their talent, love for the nation, and dedications to excellence. After an exciting and competitive event, we are thrilled to announce the winners. And the winners for the clay modeling from the nursery section goes to, the third prize goes to Arav Patel, second prize J. Yajwin, and the first prize is backed by Aliza Anam. I would like to call upon Hasina ma'am on the stage to give away the prizes. I would like to call upon Hasina ma'am and Suresh sir to kindly come up on the stage. Okay, I would like to call upon LKG winners, and the third prize Atif Zayan. Second prize goes to Azan Ahmed, and the first prize is backed by Mohammad Tahir. Thank you Ashraf ma'am and Shaila ma'am. And the winners for the clay modeling from grade 1 and 2 are, the second prize goes to Mohammad Zuhair from grade 1, and the first prize goes to Anas Amar from grade 2. I would request Kubra ma'am and Tasleem ma'am, please, to come on the stage to give away the prizes. The first prize goes to Mohammad Zuhair, and the second prize goes to Anas Amar.
Modeling grade 3, second place goes to Iram Zuha, and first place banked by Sayeda Anjum, grade 3.
The grade 4 winners are Third prize goes to S. Masooda. Second prize goes to Alina Hamadi. And the first prize is backed by Muhammad Taneem. And Tabitha ma'am, please come on the stage. Winners are, third prize goes to Rida Kausar. Second prize goes to Ilm Afshan. And the first prize is backed by Khushi Patel. Firdaus sir and Almas ma'am. Winners of drawings from grade 6. The third prize goes to Arban Beg. Second prize goes to Muhammad Saad. And the first prize goes to Muhammad Zain.
Shabin ma'am and Kausar ma'am, please come on the stage. Now, grade 7 essay writing. Third place goes to Zainab Sharif. Second place, Saida Musbira. And first prize goes to Shahana Afia. To all the winners, your talent and your dedication have truly shined. Let's continue to honor our freedom with responsibility, courage, and unity. Children are not things to be molded, but people to be unfolded. As part of our Children's Day celebration, we conducted our annual talent hunt competition 2024 and 25.
Where youngsters showcase their incredible skills with passion and confidence. It was a day filled with energy, creativity, and unforgettable performances where they showcase their talents through professionalism. After much anticipation, we are delighted to announce the winners. Without any more of your time, I hereby start declaring the results. I would like to request our chairman, Mr. Bashir Ahmad sir, and Secretary Mrs. Nazia Kausar ma'am to please come on the stage and honor the students for their talents. 25, Kindergarten Nursery. Third prize goes to Muhammad Taib, football player. Second prize goes to Maria Mahat, butterfly. And the first prize is backed by Nadira Sadaf, artist. Stars of NAPS.
To LKG winners, the third place Ume Safa, scientist. Second place Aira Fatima, and first place goes to Mama Zaid, cricketer. Congratulations students. To the middle school, grade 4 winners. Second place Safa Konen.
Grade 2 winners are, third prize goes to Rida Fatima. Second prize goes to Taki, and the first prize is backed by Shreya. Parents, kindly encourage them with a great round of applause. Our third prize goes to Muhammad Amir, second prize goes to Sara Fatima, and the first prize is backed by Afia.
Moving to the middle school, grade 4 winners. Second place Safa. Grade 5 winners. Second place Nimra.
Grade 4 winner, we have second prize for Safa Konen.
Grade 5 winners. Second prize Nimra. And first prize goes to Ilm Afshan.
Grade 6 winners. Third prize goes to Sufia Mariam. Second prize goes to Afra Wasim. And the first prize is backed by Muhammad Kabir.
Grade 7 winner. Third place Sahana Afia. Second place Muhammad Hassan. And first place backed by Iza Sharif.
And finally coming to the high school, grade 8 winners. Third prize goes to Saifan. Second prize goes to Muhammad Faraz. And the first prize is backed by Atibullah. Congratulations to all the winners. Congratulations to all the winners from grade 8. Grade 9, we have a winner. The third prize goes to Khazim Bilal.
Congratulations to all the winners. Your passion and talent have truly inspired us all. Thank you. सफलता अंतिम नहीं है, असफलता घातक नहीं है, साहस के साथ आगे बढ़ते रहना ही सच्ची जीत है. Now we are delighted to announce the winners of Islamiyat Bhatkal competition 2023 and 24.
It is an honor that two students of NA Public School are being awarded with the Gold Guinea by Maulana Abul Hassan Ali Nadwi Bhatkal University. So, the first prize in Oral Islamiyat Bhatkal competition is being honored with the Guinea to Muhammad Zain I. He is placed first in Oral Islamiyat. Please, parents, kindly give him a... He is being awarded by a Gold Guinea. Congratulations, Zain. And the first prize in writing competition is backed by Shahana Alia. Shahana Afia. A great round of applause to Shahana Afia. She is honored with the Gold Guinea. Congratulations to the winners. Winners of grade 2 are, thank you ma'am, thank you sir. First, Gulnaz ma'am, HM Gulnaz ma'am, and grade 2 winners. Third place goes to L. Zunaira Mariam. Second place goes to Nawaz Sharif. And the first place goes to Muhammad Anas.
Third place Asra Khanum, second place Mubashir, and first place Ifat Fatima.
Second place Mubashir and first place is Ifat Fatima. Third place goes to Tasmiya Taj. Second place Rifa Maham and the first place goes to Masuda.
Second place Ismailia, and third place Nimra Fatima.
We have from grade 6 Madiha Sultana, second place.
Third place Syed Umar, second place Nahida Banu, and first place goes to
Third place goes to Muhammad Rehan. Second place Nasuha Parveen and the first place goes to Zoya Fatima. Safia, second place Khizra Fatima and the first place goes to Fiza. Thank you so much, sir.
So all these prizes, they got because of Mr. Firdaus here, okay, who is the Islamic teacher in NA Public School. I think from years they are going for this Bhatkal Awards. So congratulations to all the winners, to Mr. Firdaus and to the management who is encouraging Islamic studies in the school along with English studies. Thank you parents, your clap should not stop. Thank you.
all participants for making this celebration meaningful. आपकी मेहनत रंग लाई, सफलता ने कदम चूमे, हार्दिक बधाई और शुभकामनाएं. Thank you. Thank you once again, our chairman sir, secretary madam, teachers and dear students. Thank you.
Hello everyone. As we begin this wonderful celebration, let's remember every great journey begins with a small step, and today we celebrate how far we have come. Graduation is not just about moving to the next class, but about the lessons we have learned, the friendships we have made, the dreams we are ready to chase. So, let's begin this special day with lots of joy and excitement. This sets a warm, inspiring tone for a ceremony. Good evening to all. We welcome you to our UKG graduation event. Hello everyone. My name is Mohammed Ham and I am here with my friends Mohammed Anas Amar, Umayma Anjum and Srayam. We are from grade 2 to host this special event. Today is a very special day because our UKG friends are ready to step into the next stage of their school journey. We are so happy to see their parents, teachers and friends here to celebrate with us. Let's start this wonderful celebration with lots of joy and smiles. Now I invite my friend Umama Anjum to call upon our UKG friend. Let's begin with a warm welcome speech. For this, I would like to call Faria Ahmed. Learning is fun and every day is a new story. Good evening, everyone. My name is Faria Ahmed. I am UKG. Today is very special day because we are celebrating our big day, the Step Up Day of the Batch of 2025. I feel very happy and excited to see you all here. A warm welcome to our special guests, dear teachers, loving parents and caring staff. Thank you for coming and making this day even more special. Your love, support and hard work to reach this proud moment. We are so happy to celebrate this day with you once again. I welcome everyone with a big smile. Thank you. Thank you, sister. Now I would like to welcome our respected Bashir Ahmed sir to say a few words.
Very nice of you. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. बहुत बड़ा दिन है ना आज यूकेजी के वास्ते, राइट ना? बच्चे ऊपर आते हैं, प्रेजेस लेते हैं. See how wonderful they are talking about, right ना? We were not expecting that, right? माँ बाप को चाहिए क्या है? उन्होंने जब तक बड़े होती, बड़े हो को कमाने लगती, तब तक अपना डॉक्टर बोलती स्टॉप, नहीं? मिठाई स्टॉप, चावल स्टॉप, यही तो है. माँ बाप के लिए क्या है? बच्चा जो भी कर रहे हैं उसमें थोड़ा आगे जाए. Isn't it? Are we doing that or not? Give a big round of applause to all of them. ज्ञान की ज्योति जलाने आए हैं, नए सपनों के बीच लगाने आए हैं. यहाँ हर दिन एक नई उड़ान है. हर कोशिश में छिपी पहचान है. मेहनत, अनुशासन और विश्वास रखो. मेहनत, अनुशासन और विश्वास रखो. हर चुनौती को अपना एहसास रखो. सिर्फ किताबों से नहीं, जीवन से सीखो. सिर्फ किताबों से नहीं, जीवन से सीखो. संघर्ष की राह में खुद को परखो. ये विद्यालय सिर्फ 4 दीवारें नहीं, ये विद्यालय सिर्फ 4 दीवारें नहीं, यहाँ सपनों की ऊंचाइयाँ अपार है कहीं. Give a big round of applause to all the parents. And thank you for coming today and thank you for choosing NAPS. Respected parents, dedicated teachers, and my dear little graduates. Good evening, good afternoon, almost good evening. Good evening to all of you. Today is a day of pride, joy, and emotions. A day that marks an important milestone in the journey of our young learners. As we gathered here to celebrate the graduation of our UKG students, I feel immense gratitude and happiness. A journey of growth and transformation. Parents, do you remember the first day when you brought your child to school? याद आ रहा है? The nervous little hands that held yours tightly, the hesitant steps into the classroom, and the teary goodbyes at the school gates. And today, look at them, so confident, cheerful, and ready to take the next step in their academic journey. These children entered our school as the tiny birds, full of curiosity and innocence. And today, they stand before us like blooming flowers, ready to spread their fragrance in the world of learning. Their journey from scribbling lines to writing their first words, from struggling with alphabets to forming the complete sentence, from shy whispers to confident conversations, it has been magical. Please give a big round of applause to all the little graduates. Dear parents, you made a choice, an important choice, to trust us with your child's early education. At any public school, we believe that a school is not just about books and exams. It is about building a strong foundation of life. बच्चों की पहली पाठशाला उनका घर ही होती है, isn't it? बच्चों की पहली पाठशाला उनका घर ही होता है और दूसरी पाठशाला उनका विद्यालय. At NAPS, we do not just teach subjects, we nurture dreams. We create an environment where children learn with joy, grow with confidence, and develop values that last a lifetime. To our teachers, I can tell you, the architects of future, isn't it? Teachers, you are the silent force behind this success. Your patience, dedication, and love have shaped these young minds. You held their hands while they learned to write. You encouraged them when they hesitated, and you celebrated their smallest achievements. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. On behalf of every parent here, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to you for being the guiding light in this children's life. Give a big round of applause to all the teachers. And the next step, we all know, a new adventure. And now, my dear little graduates, you are ready for your next big step. That is grade 1. Yes or no? It will be a full of new stories, exciting books, and wonderful new things to learn. But don't worry, your school, your teachers, and your friends will always be with you, just like today. Do you know what makes a great learner? It's not about knowing all the answers. It's not about always being curious. It's about always being curious. So, always ask questions. Always wonder why the sky is blue. Where does the sun go at night? How do birds fly? Because every question you ask makes you smarter, and every new thing you learn makes you stronger. Why any public school is the best decision for your child? Parents, I request all of you to give a big round of applause to all the little graduates. And parents, एक question होता है दिमाग में हर बार. Why any public school? The best decision for your child. Parents, choosing the right school is one of the most crucial decisions for your child's future. At NAPS, sound little. Parents, choosing the right school is one of the most crucial decision for your child's future. At NAPS, we are not just an institution, we are family, a vision, a promise. A promise to provide holistic education, academics, sports, creativity, and leadership. Strong values and discipline, preparing children for the lifeline challenges, real life challenges. Innovation in learning, smart classrooms, hands-on experience, and a global outlook. Caring environment where every child is valued and nurtured. Your child's future is safe in our hands, and we promise to walk with them at every step, guide them through challenges, and celebrate their success. As we conclude this memorable day, I urge every child to dream big, every teacher to continue inspiring, and every parent to always support their child's journey. Today's little graduates are tomorrow's leaders. Let's give them the roots to grow and wings to fly. Once again, congratulations to our tiny graduates and heartfelt thanks to all the parents, teachers. Together we build futures, together we shape dreams. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful speech. Now our lovely Akachi girls will present a beautiful dance. Let's clap for them.
अंबर पे मेरे एक ही तारा, वो एक तारा हो तुम। ना कोई खुदा मेरा तेरे सिवा, मेरा जग सारा हो तुम। मैंने तुम्हें जहाँ रखा कोई नहीं है वहाँ। पापा मेरी जान हरदम रखना, अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम। पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना, हर मील का पत्थर तुम। तुम्हीं पे तो ठहरते हैं ये रास्ते मेरे लिए। धड़कन धड़कन तुम सीने में हर वक्त धड़कते हो। जाऊं कहीं भी मैं तुम हो या न हो, पर साथ ही रहते हो। तुम होते हो इन आँखों में हर जगह।
Come on, parents, give a big round of applause.
अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम। पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना, हर मील का पत्थर तुम। तुम्हीं पे तो ठहरते हैं ये रास्ते मेरे लिए।
मेरे समय आसमां में बाबा थोड़े ही हैं, जादूगर हैं वो, जो एक मांगो 1000 दे जाते हैं। अपने लिए एकदम लापरवाह, लेकिन हर महीने
Yes, fathers, hands up. Yes, put your round of applause.
कोई तो
It's
बताएगा।
dedicated for you.
ये पापा
It's a proud moment for all the fathers. Please, fathers, come forward and carry your daughters. Let's see the moment, how beautiful it is. Come on, all the fathers, please stand up. Wow, what a wonderful moment. Yes, lovely. A huge round of applause to all the fathers. Beautiful. See how beautiful it is. Fathers are there, few mothers are there. But this is dedicated only to fathers. One day the fathers would have applied leave for the sake of the children. Am I right? Yes. Yeah, our great father is here. Lovely, lovely moment. A huge round of applause to all the fathers. See the banyan tree of NAPS, Bashir sir. Okay? Wonderful man. Yes, Suresh, please come forward. Dedicated to all the fathers. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Children, you made the day of your fathers. Simran is also crying.
Thank you, friends, for your art-touching performance. Now to share their classroom memories, please welcome Hadia Mariam to share this experience. My classroom is not just a room. It is a place where learn, laugh and grow. Good evening, everyone. My name is Hadia Mariam.
Mic up.
And I study in UKG. I feel so happy to be here today. In UKG, learn so many things. I can write simple sentences in cursive handwriting, read small words and sentences, and do easy counting and sums. I have also learned to draw and color neatly. My teacher have taught me good habits like eating healthy food and keeping my classroom clean. I have also learned to speak clearly and share my ideas every day in my classroom was full fun. We learning stories, singing rhymes, and learning new things. Thank you to my teacher teaching me. Thank you to my parents always supporting me. Thank you everyone for making this year so special. I'm excited to go to grade 1 and learn more things. Thank you. Thank you, sister. Friends are special and make our school life more fun. Let's invite Aira Fatima to share their experience about friendship. Friends make school fun and every moment special. Good evening, everyone. My name is Aira Fatima and today I want to talk about my friends. Friends make school a happy place. We play together, laugh together, and learn new things. We share our toys and always have lots of fun. Sometimes we have small fights, but we say sorry and become best friends again. Now we are moving to class 1. A new class, new books, and new things to learn. But we say wonderful friends. Thank you to my dear friends for making our school day special. I am excited for our next class together. Thank you. You, sister. Now it's time for our UKG boys to show their energetic dance performance. Let's cheer for them.
जन्म जन्म हो तू ही मेरे पास माँ जन्म जन्म हो तू ही ज़मीं आसमां जन्म जन्म हो तू ही मेरे पास माँ जन्म जन्म हो तू ही ज़मीं आसमां ये है खबर दिल में कहीं रब रहता है मगर मेरे दिल में रहती भोली वाली मेरी माँ, मेरे दिल में रहती भोली वाली मेरी माँ।
This song is dedicated to mothers.
रब को मनाने मंदिर मज़ारों तक जाती है, घर में ही में होता है तीरथ, मुझको नजर जब माँ आती है, मुझको नजर जब माँ आती है। जन्म जन्म तू मेरी अरदास माँ, जन्म जन्म तू मेरा एहसास माँ। सच का पता दिल में ही है पर मुझको ये पता मेरे दिल में रहती भोली वाली मेरी माँ।
उंगली पकड़ के फिर से सिखा दे, गोदी उठा लेना माँ, आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ देना, मैला सा लगे जहाँ। आंखें दिखाए मुझे जब जिंदगी, याद मुझे आती है तेरे गुस्से की, डांटा भी तो तूने मुझे फूलों की तरह, क्यों नहीं माँ सारी दुनिया तेरी तरह।
To the parents, fathers, right? So yeah, this is a wonderful moment dedicated to all the mothers here. So if there are no mothers, can we give chance for fathers? I think Secretary ma'am will come as mother. Yes. I think all the mothers are there. Yes. So all mothers, ma'am knows that all mothers will definitely attend the function. A huge round of applause to all the mothers. मेरे दिल में रहती है मेरी माँ. वाओ, सभी जगह रहती है माँ. माँ के बच्चे बिना बड़े हो ही नहीं सकते. Right? A huge round of applause to all the mothers. We love you. We love you so much.
Thank you, dear friend, for your energetic dance. Our teachers are like our second parents. They help us, love us, and teach us many things. Let's welcome Arfa Kausar Ismail to share their thoughts about their favorite teachers. My teachers. Teachers are like candles. They light our way with love and learning. Good evening, everyone. My name is Arfa Kausar Ismail, and today I want to talk about my teachers. Teachers are very special. They teach us right to neatly, count correctly, and speak well. They tell us nice stories and help us learn good habits. They are kind and calm. When we make mistakes, they help us try again. They always support us and make learning fun. Dear teachers, thank you for your love and effort. You make our school days happy. Thank you for your wonderful experience. Now let's get inspired with a motivational dance performance by our talented friends.
है ठान लिया हमने
सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की तमन्ना है ठान लिया हमने सूरज सा जलना है सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की तमन्ना
कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां तूफान भी सोचे जिद तेरी कैसी ऐसा जुनून है किसी में का बहता चला तू उड़ता चला तू जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधिया बहता चला तू उड़ता चला तू जैसे उड़े आंधिया मंजर है नया मंजर नया मंजर है के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां मंजर है नया मंजर नया मंजर है नया के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हमको होश में कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में बादल पे पाँव
Yes, parents, come on, a huge round of applause to all the children.
अब तो भाई चल
See how many
अपनी ये नाव है
with lot of patience our teachers have trained the parents, children.
अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है
So saying Tata bye bye to UKG teachers. They'll be going to first standard. Tata bye bye to UKG teachers. Next year we are going to grade 1. Yes, parents? So you have 1 or 2 kids. You should appreciate the talent of our teachers. How much effort they would have taken to bring them to this day for this many, programs. A huge round of applause to all the teachers who made this day a successful one. All are trained for all these 3 set of students. Please come on the stage. So these are the teachers who trained the students for these dances. So hats off to the teachers.
It's time to give special gifts for our UKG friends for their wonderful ceremony. For that, I would like to call our lovely teachers, Miss Shaila Shobha ma'am and Shabin Taj ma'am.
Good evening, one and all present here. Myself, Shaila Shobha, class teacher of grade 2.
And myself, Shabin Taj, class teacher of grade 6.
Today marks a significant milestone in our educational journey, as our graduates from UKG are not only celebrating the completion of a phase, but also embarking a new adventure.
I request our inspiring chairman, Mr. Bashir Ahmed sir, and our beloved and never-tiring secretary, Ms. Nazia Kausar ma'am, to come forward and felicitate and congratulate our UKG graduates.
Let's give a warm welcome to our ma'am and sir to join us on stage. Please put your hands together for the brightest stars our school.
Star, Miss Aira Fatima, and she's all set to light up the world. Her dream is to become a fantastic doctor, and she wanted to help people stay healthy.
Next comes another shining star, Miss
And innovate new designs for the betterment of the society. And she has even secured first prize in talent hunt.
Now comes Anabia Shabazz. Her aim is to be a software engineer and she wants to create a upgradation in software field.
Next is Arsalan Khan, and his aim is to become a police officer and safeguard the community. And he has even secured third prize in clay modeling.
Next is Arshia Khan and her aim is to become a doctor.
Next is
Please put your hands together for the brightest stars of our school.
Mariam, and she dreams to be a teacher and inspire the society for lifelong learning.
A doctor and provide medical support to the needy.
Next is Arshia Khan, and her aim is to be a doctor and help people to stay healthy.
To become a police officer and protect the society.
And here is Faria Ahmad, and she wants to become a doctor and improve access to needy to access the health care.
Now comes Fatima Taj and her aim is to become a doctor and innovate the medical technology.
Come on parents, please give them a round of applause. Hadia Mariam, and her aim is to become a dentist and keep the oral health of the people at their best.
And here is Hafsa Tayyaba and her aim is to become a police officer and prevent crime in society.
Now comes Hajira Banu, and her aim is to be a teacher and educate the future generation.
And here comes Ifra Fatima and her aim is to become a teacher and make the future leaders.
Now comes Ifra Fatima. Her desire and aim is to become a Hafiza and maintain and spread the awareness about Islam.
Here is Ikra Fatima and she wants to become a doctor and help people stay healthy. Please put your hands together for the brightest stars of our school. Give a round of applause.
Next here is J. Muhammad Abdan, and his aim is to become a doctor and provide health care to the community.
Now comes Muhammad Ayan Pasha and his aim is to maintain law and order as a police officer.
Next is Muhammad Haris, and his aim is to become a police officer and safeguard the society. There are lots of police officers and doctors here.
Here is Muhammad Uzaifa Khan and he wants to preserve and transmit the Islamic studies and values by taking up his profession as a Hafiz.
Now comes Muhammad Luqman Khan, and his aim is to become a police officer and promote sense of security in the community, and he has also secured second place in clay modeling.
Hands together for the brightest stars of our school. Now comes Mohammad Rihan Pasha, and he wants to be a police officer and resolve the conflicts.
Next comes Muhammad Zuhaib Ali, and he wants to safeguard the vulnerable by becoming a police officer, and he has won third prize in Talent Hunt.
Muhammad Imad I, and his dream and desire is to be a IPS officer and maintain public law and order.
Next we have Pranav Kumar here, whose aim is to become a police officer again and maintain sense of security among the community.
And he wants to renovate our society by taking up as an engineer profession.
Next is Rihan Ahmad and Asad. Here comes by becoming a police officer.
Here is Shaista Ahmed, and she wants to be a police officer and become the guardian of the society.
Next is Sheikh Jichan, and he wants to improve the society with his creativity by taking up his profession as an engineer.
Next is Syed Uwais Ali, and he wants to reduce the sufferings of people by becoming a doctor.
Next here is Syed Rahman, and he wants to be a police officer and create a better and safe environment.
Here is Sayeda Armian, and she wants to be a doctor and save the needy.
Sayyada Muskan, and her dream is to be a doctor and serve the society with her skills, and she has also won second prize in Talent Hunt.
Here comes Mohammad Amdan, and he wants to become a doctor.
Afra Kausar, and she has secured first prize in Talent Hunt. Together, and please encourage our students.
Congratulations once again, UKG graduates. We are proud of your achievements and hard work. Keep
This week conclude our prize distribution. A heartfelt thank you to our esteemed sir, secretary ma'am, dedicated teachers, loving parents, and everyone present here. Congratulations to all these winners and to those who didn't receive a prize today. Remember, participation itself is a victory, and every effort brings you closer to success. Let's continue to strive for excellence and support each other in our journey of learning. Thank you once again.
Thank you, teachers. Congratulations to all our little graduates. I request our coordinator, Ms. Kulsum Fatima ma'am, to please come on the stage for the oath.
As we start this new journey, we promise
to
shine like a star, to be kind, caring, and friendly, to help others, and never hurts anyone.
and also everyone.
To learn,
To learn,
grow,
grow,
and have fun
and have fun
every day.
every day.
And to make my family,
And make my family,
teachers,
teachers,
and friends proud.
and can start.
We are NA Public School stars.
We are a public school star.
And we will shine bright
And we will shine star
everywhere.
every day. We came at the learner, so tiny and new. Now we are ready for grade 1. It's true, with stories and numbers, with names and fun, our journey has just begun. Today we say goodbye to UKG and hello to grade 1. We are ready to learn, grow and shine. We came as little learners, now we live shining star, ready for new adventure in grade 1. Thank you teachers for helping the grow. We will take your love and lessons wherever we go. From ABC to 1 to 3, we have learned so much. Grade 1, here we come with excitement and joy. From ABC to 1 to 3, we have learned so much. Grade 1, here we come with excitement and joy. Graduation is not the end, it's the beginning of a new journey. We are ready for grade 1. With books in our heart. With books in our heart and dreams in our heart, we are stepping into grade 1 with confidence. We are little, but our world dreams are big. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you, ma'am. Let's take a group photo to remember this happy day forever. Vote of thanks. Now we will say a big thank you to everyone who made this day special. For this, I would like to welcome Saida Muskan. Thank you is not just a word, it is a way to show love and kindness. Thank you everyone. My name is Saida Muskan and I am in UKG. Today is a very special day and I feel so happy. I want to say a big thank you to our special guests, dear teachers, loving parents and caring staff for always helping us, teaching us and making us feel special. A big thank you to our friends making this day so much fun. We will also remember this happy moment. Once again, thank you everyone. Have a happy and fun day. Thank you. Thank you, sister. Thanks for teachers, parents and friends for their love and support. That's all for today. Thank you for coming. Have a great day. Good evening. We hope today you enjoyed this event.
वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा इवेंट था। To be honest, it's one of the greatest thing to watch out here because we see our kids like our past in our kids. ये एक ऐसा moment था, the kind of the dance, whatever was organized by the teachers, it was like we really relived that moment. हमें अपने आप को देखे वहाँ, like the emotions that was filled, like when the kids were performing. डैड के लिए हो सकता है, मॉम के लिए हो सकता है, आई एम श्योर जितने भी यहाँ थे, all the parents' eyes were filled with tears and the joy and happiness. I really, applaud all the teachers. It is really not so easy task, right? Because हमारे बच्चे संभाल ले, it's so difficult. कभी कभी like for example, उनके मॉम बोलती ज़रा देख लियो बच्चों को. I was like, नहीं होता. It is not possible. But really, the teachers out here, Kulsum ma'am, Ashraf ma'am, Rukhya ma'am, Simran ma'am, others I don't know the names, sorry, but जो भी हैं, really great efforts. हमें हमारे बच्चों को देते थे छोड़े सो. The same words what sir told, like उनके आंखों में आंसू, हमारा हाथ नहीं छोड़ते थे उन्होंने, स्कूल को अंदर जाने भी रेडी नहीं रहते थे. And our hearts were filled with tears, and with great heartfelt we have to leave our kids. But we know what is the future, they will get it, right? So वो सब कुछ moment हमें देखे थे. आज a graduation day where our kids are performing on the stage with fearless. So I really thank from the bottom of my heart to all the teachers for the efforts you have put for our kids. Thank you very much, sir. It's not about, there are many schools, बहुत सारे schools हैं, okay, but जो टीचर्स अपने दूसरे के बच्चों को अपने बच्चे समझ को एक एजुकेशन देती, उनको एक फ्यूचर बनाती, वो सब कुछ इनके हाथ में है. बट जैसे कि बोलती पेरेंट्स आर द फर्स्ट टीचर्स, घर से सब कुछ एजुकेशन मिलता बोल को, बट जितना भी रहते बट टीचर्स का बहुत ज़्यादा एफर्ट्स रहता. घर में एक बच्चा 2 बच्चे, बट यहाँ 40+ जो एफर्ट इन्हों डालती वो शायद पेरेंट्स बता नहीं डाल सकते. So once again, thanks a lot for all the support. जो भी हमारे बच्चों को तुम्हें सिखा को ही तहे दिल से बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. Thank you very much once again.
Feeling very privileged to stand before you all. I am really happy to express my sincere gratitude to the entire team of NA Public for their continuous support, for especially the students community. Sir, I really wanted to convey one thing. You have got dedicated faculties here. So being a teacher, I know the pain of controlling parent and talking to them, especially children's. So हमारे खुद के बच्चे हमारे से संभाले नहीं जाते. So really parent, so hats off to all the teachers, and especially Gulnaz madam, Kulsum madam. I don't know many teachers' names. Simran madam, har din my son used to remind her name in all. So thank you so much. May God bless NA Public School. Thank you so much.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. और मेरा बच्चा यहाँ स्कूल में पढ़ा, मोहम्मद हमदान. एजुकेशन सभी माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छी है. पहली बारिश में ये दाली सो फर्स्ट ईयर अच्छा इम्प्रूव हो को ही माशाल्लाह. कुलसुम मैम, सिमरन मैम, सब टीचर्स अच्छे हैं. और ये साल में बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूव हुई माशाल्लाह. स्कूल भी अच्छे है, सार प्रिंसिपल माशाल्लाह अच्छे मेंटेन सब अच्छा कर रही. उनका सब बहुत शुक्रिया. मेरे बच्चे को यहाँ वो मिला सब बहुत खुशकिस्मत अल्लाह. नहीं तो दूसरी स्कूल में इतना इम्प्रूव नहीं हुए थे. स्कूल बहुत अच्छी है माशाल्लाह, और टीचर सब भी अच्छे हैं. थैंक यू.